Yes, all right. We're back again. Today we're doing some more push-ups. Yeah, man. What? I don't know if you guys can hear. It's like a thunderstorm, man. I know the rain is gonna start, but for the fingers crossed. Wait for people to tap in first before we kick it off. All right, let's wait for some people to tap in first before we kick it off. In the meantime, we just go and warm up. Already stretched. All right. Let's wait for. All right. So today the main focus is gonna be arm. So we're gonna do more than one set of push-up today. Definitely more than one set of push-up today for sure. Wait for some more people to tap in. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. I think we should wait first. So wait for people to tap in. So wait for some numbers first before we kick it off. Anyone just joining? Waiting for some more numbers before we start. All right. All right, here we go. So today mainly we're gonna focus on arms today, bicep and tricep. So we're gonna do more than one type of push-up. You know, normally we do it's mostly triangle push-up, but today we're gonna do even regular push-up. Still waiting for more people though before we start off. Check this out. I have to get a new gloves, man. First we'll do about 100 slow motion triangle push up, then we're gonna switch to some normal push up. Five. All right, so we're starting off with 100 triangle, and then we're gonna switch to some normal push-up. Remember, slow motion. Yo, Ricardo, what's good, G? What's good? All right, so right now we're gonna do 100 slow motion triangle push up, slow motion, 100 of that, and then we're gonna switch to some normal push up. We're gonna keep changing though. We're doing a wide range of push up today. I'm gonna start off with a wide gap triangle push up. Slow motion. All right, so we're over 60 already. So for who just joining, we're starting off with some 4 gap triangle. We're gonna do 100 of that slow motion. Then we're gonna do it's gonna change up. We'll do a wide range, wider range push-ups. So we got with that 70 slow motion triangle. Starting off hitting the triceps. It's burning. Keep going. I will do 10 more of this. All right, so we start off with 100 plus slow motion triangle push-ups. Alright, so we're gonna do 100 more on this. Remember, slow motion. All the way down, all the way up. Alright, so second set's a push up. Let's get it. Oh yeah. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Everyone just join in with a wider range of push-ups today. This is the second set. I already did 100 before on the flat. So let's get it. We'll do 100 more on these blocks, then we drop it. Wait, I need to adjust this some more. Right there, so you guys can see. Yeah, much better. Should be much better. Slow motion push-ups. All the way down, all the way up. You're just getting into workout. You want to get big arms. Or before you start, the first thing before you even work out. Like on arm day, I recommend you start off with some triangle push-ups. Yeah. 160. Remember, we're doing 100 like on each. Each time we change, we're doing 100. Each time we change down push-ups, we're doing 100. That's 160. Let's get it. Let's get it. All the way down, all the way up. Don't want to take too much break either. Don't want to cheat. Almost there. 15 more. Then we switch it up. Check this out. This is where we're hitting right here. And also the chest. When I get more gains, do push-ups slow and in control. It's not about speed, man. I always tell people, it's not about speed. It's always being in control. Focus more on your muscle. Alright, so we did 100 on the ground, 100 on the block. So let's switch it up now. Alright, so we're gonna do 100 more diamond push-up this time. We're doing diamond push-up now. So we did 100 triangle wide gap before on the ground, and we did the same on the black height, 100, same width. So now we're gonna do some diamonds, 100, still slow motion push up. So remember, all the way down, all the way up. You don't want to cheat. It's cheating yourself gains. Don't want to cheat yourself out of gains. So you just go with a good speed, control, focus. Diamond. Slow motion. All the way down, all the way up. Up, up. But that speed is good. No weight. We're not lifting no weight today, man. It's pure push up. This is intense, man. If you're doing this the right way, it's intense. If you do 20 of these the right way, it feels like 20. Or should I say 100 if you're doing it the right way. All right, let's keep going. Don't want to rest too much. Ah. 100 of this. That's 30 already. Yo. This feels good, man. close gap diamond push-up. It's good for the tricep, but I'm mainly feeling it right here. All right, so that's we already hit. That's wait, that's 40, right? All right, let's keep going. 240. Right before I thought stream, bro, I thought that it was gonna rain. Hey guys, as you guys can see, I don't know if y'all can hear the thunder in the background. $50. Still doing close diamonds push up. Make sure you're not resting too long. It's no more than 15 seconds rest. More intense is the better. What we got here in the building? Male Miracle, what's good? Appreciate you, man. We try. All right, so we're doing different variations of push-ups today for arm. So we are 200 already, 270. So every time I change, I'm doing 100. Slow motions only push-up. Slow motion, let's go. We're almost there. We can't stop now. Let's keep going. It's 293, slow motion. Push-ups. Only 15 seconds break, man. Yeah, that's it right there. Yo, Blaze, what's up, homie? What's good? What's good? Right, so that's 300. We did that's 3 different set of push-ups. All right, let's move on. Let's move on to the next. I'm telling you, man, you don't need weights. You don't need weights to gain muscle. You miss 200. That's 200 push-up already. And we just did another 100. It's all good. So I'm just gonna use this one block. And put some pressure on the triceps and the bicep here. I'm gonna hit the tricep and the bicep. That's one block. Let's get it. We're just getting into exercise. It's best to start off with like some diamond push-ups, slow motion, intense. You make sure you go way down and way up. No, this is what I'm doing. Same thing. You want big arms? Do these. Trust me. It's not about speed, man. It's about control. If you are doing these the right way, it's gonna feel intense. You're gonna feel all the pressure. And that's a good thing. One more. Enough. Well, that's good. That's good. All right, that's 28, right? Remember, every time we change push-ups, make sure we're doing 100 of everything. We're just getting started. If you just join us, we're doing slow motion, everything. We're doing just some push-ups. That's diamond and triangle push-ups, slow motion. You have to do like high reps, high set. If you're just joining us, it can't take no longer than 15 seconds. How long am I streaming? I don't know, man. I'm just working with the flow, you know. We gotta get these gains first. Let's see where it takes us, you know. This workout you guys see me I'm doing right now is it's good for the chest as well. It's mainly because today we mainly hitting on triceps and chest. It also hit your biceps too, man, to be honest, because I can feel it. Nav, appreciate you, man. Thank you for being here. Welcome. To go all the way down and up. Yo, Blaze. Thank you, man. Thank you, Blaze. All right, let's keep working. We're at so we did 360, right? So every time we change push-ups, we make sure we're doing 100. Whenever we use partial reps Oh, what's that, man? What's that? I have no idea. I'm just a country guy in Jamaica. I'm just doing workout, man, for over 7 years. Mainly home workout. I don't never been to the gym. Strictly home workout, you know. Ah, ah. Yeah, bro. Last stream and KFC. Yeah. Last stream. Most of my viewers are suggesting saying that I should like get bald. Here it is. Saying I should get bald, and we did it live yesterday. So I've been bald my head in ages, man. You guys can see that sweat. That doesn't look bad. I appreciate you, man. Looks. It's weird to me though, but no, I appreciate you. Make sure y'all stay hydrated all the time. Uh, nah, not really, man. I'm not. I need to keep working harder. One punching, nah. Maybe one day though. All right, so we need 20 more, and we're gonna change this one. 20 more to get that 400. It's really good, man. We're doing it the right way. Oh yeah. So four, so that's 4 different types of push-ups, and that's 400. So one more, 1,000 reps. I don't know, man. We just see where this, it's gonna see where this takes us, you know. So let's keep going. So it's possible because we're just gonna keep changing types of push-ups and angles. So possibly, man, can be even more than 1,000. Let's see. This one should be much easier. Slow and in control. If you're doing this the right way, the triceps should feel like they're tearing out, literally. Up. Up. Rest of the body. Definitely. All right, so just because I'm streaming right now, I'm mainly focusing on 'cause today's what, Tuesday, right? Yeah, so we're focusing on arm and chest. Well, yeah, man, if you stay tuned, you're gonna definitely see that watermelon eats cat. Yeah, what's good. Yeah, we did 2,000 plus push-ups the last time. That's 2 days ago. So we got 35, 435. You guys just joining. You missed the live stream. Is that Aziki? Work. the watermelon. I appreciate you, man. We just putting in the work. We're trying around here, man. Oh, dirty right now and stuff. So putting in the work. Look like a WWE player. You trying to WWE as well. I wouldn't mind. I don't want maybe one day. Blaze, appreciate the push, man. All right, so for who just joining, you don't understand my language? Or you like it? Jamaican, I'm from Jamaica. Is that kind of bartender? Yeah, what's good, man? Look at my gloves. These gloves are done, bro. Yeah, they're finished. I have to get some. Definitely have to get a new pair soon. ASAP. You're from India? Nice. That's so awesome, man. Welcome, man. Up. All right, so we're at 460. Remember, today we're only doing slow motion push-ups. Every time we change, we're doing different type of push-ups. Every time we're doing a different one, we're doing 100 reps. So we're at the fifth, number 5 type of push-up. Actually, equipment. Yeah, I got some homemade you guys call them barbell. I got a homemade bar that do pull-ups on. All right, let's go. Let's finish this one up real quick. If you're doing this the right way, man, it's really intense. Slow motion push-ups only. Let's go. So that's 500, no, 480. Every time we change push-ups, we're doing 100. That's 490 plus, right? Or in one set. Yeah, when I'm just starting off, the thing is, most time when I just start push-ups, if I'm targeting on high reps, like if I should go fast, like I see most people do, I would hit 150, to be honest. Yeah, so if I'm doing push-up like this, let me show you. If I'm going, if I'm doing it that fast, I can do like almost 120, that one. But I do push-up slow motion. So the most I can do when I'm doing it slow motion, really intense, is like 70. Now if I'm doing it fast, I can do over 100 easy, man. But to me, it's not all about speed, man. It's all about being in control, focus on your muscle and training. So just the slower you go, the more intense, there's more gains. Yo, Cameron, what's good? What's good? He said he need to get chest at mine. Still working on it. We still got a lot of work to do, man. Appreciate you though. Alright, so we're doing 10 more of this, and that's 500, and then we're gonna switch to a different type of push-up. Remember, today we're only doing slow motion push-ups. Alright, so that's 500 already. Do you train every day? I only rest like once a week. Yeah, only one day of the week I rest. That's mainly Thursday. But yeah, man, I try to train every day, man. I mean, sometimes we take like maybe weeks off work, you know, due to like financial issue, but otherwise that is no excuse to me, man. Yo, now, for real, man. But if you need it, man, trust me, I have to put in the work. You put in the work, you're gonna see results. Look like a super soldier. This guy. Alright, we're going back flat on the ground. dirty, bro. Okay, okay, Blaze. So anyone that's join us, we're doing slow motion push-ups on today. So we're doing different variations of push-ups. And for each one we're doing 100 reps. And right between the reps, can't take no more, not gonna take any more than like 15 seconds break. You don't want to cheat. And it's all slow motion. So right now we're gonna do like the widest gap triangle push-ups. Still in slow motion, but a wide gap. That's gonna target triceps, chest. Oh yeah, just get it. Up. If you're just joining us, so we already did 500 push-ups. So that's 515 right there. Every time we change, we're doing 100. Different set of push-ups, each 100 reps. Yeah, we're dirty here. Yo, watermelon. That means a lot, man, because if I can motivate someone, man, that right there is a huge achievement for me. So it's good to hear that, man. Definitely feels good to hear that. Let's get it. Ah. It's 530. Each time we change push-ups, we're doing 100 reps. All right. Oh, hot is here right now? It's not really hot. Right now it's about like 29 degrees Celsius. That's 550. $564. Remember, the longest break you should take is have to be about 15 seconds. Try to keep it as intense as possible, you know, more intense. That's how you're gonna get results. Yo. I challenge anyone there. If you're just getting into bodybuilding, working out, or if you, whenever you're starting off your arm workout, do some slow motion triangles push-ups first. Trust me, you can do at least 100 to start off your workout, and or If you're just getting like into the gym, same working out idea, start off with push-ups. Slow motion triangle push-ups. Just trust me, you're gonna see results. Yeah. That's 70. It's 570 plus. Let's keep going. Oh. 15. All right, so that's 19. 90. 590 plus. Oh. 600. Yeah, I'm dirty, bro. What? So dirty. You want to watch it right now, please smash that thumbs up button, man. We're here putting in the work, man. Sharing some of our knowledge, you know. Appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already. Yeah, all right, let's get it. So that's 6 different push-up and 600. All right, if we get 10 likes right now, I'm only seeing 4. If we get at least 10 likes right now, we go for a 1,000. Go for a 1,000 push-ups. Yo, Watermelon, yo, peace, man. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, man. Hope you have a good one. Anyone just joining, smash that thumbs up button. I already did 600 push-ups. I'm only seeing 4 likes. If we can get at least 10 likes, man, we continue. Dirty. Damn, man. All right, smash that. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's get it. 80. Wow, almost. Oh, 20 minutes off. All right, let's get it. Yeah, watermelon. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, have a good one. All right, so we already hit. We already hit 600 and like 20 push-ups. Yeah, so if we can get 10 likes right now, we will continue. 10 likes to continue. Come on, let's get it. All right, let's do one more 100. We're just gonna finish this 100 right here and call it. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let's finish what we started. I guarantee. I don't know if any of you guys can relate. But if you're doing that push up like what I'm doing, the right way, it's hard to do even 20. Especially when you do some hit like over 500. Yeah. So that's 640. Let's finish up. Yeah. Gosh. If you're just joining us, we're at 660. Yeah. $671. Oh, I'm so tired. Let's start that in.